How to increase alarm volume on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to adjust and increase the alarm volume on an iPhone to ensure you wake up on time. So let's get started. Now, if you're a deep sleeper and you want a louder alarm to wake you up, or you just want your alarm to be louder in general, I've got you covered. Now, first of all, you can do it through the alarm application. You need to go and open your settings app. So once you're in your settings, you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says sounds and haptics. So just click on it. And over here, you'll be able to see an option that says ringtone and alerts. You can see that this is full right now. So by general, it would be in the middle. So if you want to, louder your alarm, you can simply drag it till the end, and your ringtone and alerts including alarm would be increased. So that's a simple guide on how to increase alarm volume on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.